This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Search as a desktop app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered my desktop is, but if you look right off up this way, you can see I have an app called Google. If I double click on that and open it, it opens up the Google search page as a desktop app. The way to do this, you can see I still have all the same features you would normally have. The way to do this, you can use either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser. I'm going to show you how to do it on either one. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to uninstall my desktop app to show you how to install it. As you can see, I'm on installed apps, and right here is Google. I'm going to uninstall this. And now to install it, I'm going to start off by showing you how to do it on the Chrome web browser. I'm going to open up the Chrome web browser. You want to go to google.com. I am on google.com. You want to make sure that you're logged in. I am logged into my Google account. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the three-dot menu. Click on the three-dot menu. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and straight down to where it says Install Page as App. I'm going to click on Install Page as App. A little dialog box will open up. It asks me, do I want to rename the app? I'm going to leave it the way it is. Then all you would need to do is go down and click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it using the Edge web browser. It is a similar process, a little bit different though. I'm going to open up my Edge browser. You want to go to google.com. You want to make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Then you'll go up to the top to the three-dot menu, click on the three-dot menu. Then you want to go down to where it says More Tools and place your cursor over More Tools. Then you'll slide straight off to the left to where it says Apps. Place your cursor over Apps. And then straight off to the right it says Install this site as an app. It shows the Google logo. I'm going to click on Install this site as an app. A little dialog box will open up. It says Install this site as an app. It asks you if you want to rename it. Go down to the bottom, click on Install. It takes it just a second and then it will open up on your desktop. Now there's another dialog box. It asks where I want to pin this to. Do I want to pin it to the taskbar? Do I want to pin it to the start? Do I want to create a desktop shortcut? Do I want it to auto start on device login? I'm just going to go with Create Desktop Shortcut. You just have to use your own judgment on that. Then I'm going to click on Allow. I'm going to close this out and close my browser. And right here I have a desktop app called Google. If I double click on that, it opens up Google as a desktop app. That is how to install the Google search page as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.